Today I'm going to show you guys how to make okonomiyaki using a smart microwave by Sharp with the Alexa device. I bought this pre-made okonomiyaki from the Wii app. It has instructions to cook it in the microwave, pan fry, or oven. It comes with aonori seaweed, okonomiyaki sauce, and bonito flakes. I'm going to cook it in the cardboard dish that it comes in, and then I'm going to use saran wrap to cover it as suggested by the package. For this microwave, you have to push a button to open it, and there's a carousel, so for frozen food that says that you need to turn the food, you won't need to do that with this microwave. I'm going to use my Echo Show for the voice commands. Echo, microwave for 4 minutes. Echo, add 1 more minute to the microwave. Echo, take out 1 minute from the microwave. Echo, subtract 1 minute from the microwave. Echo, set microwave to 3 minutes. Echo, stop microwave. Echo, microwave for 3 minutes. As you can see, I can add minutes to the microwave, but I cannot take out minutes. I have to stop the microwave first and then start a new timer. I like my okonomiyaki with the fried egg and yakisoba. Oops, that was almost a fail. It almost missed the plate. I let the okonomiyaki sauce sit in hot water as it was heating up in the microwave. The package doesn't come with Kewpie mayo, but I like mine with it. Now I'm just adding the rest of the included ingredients, the aonori seaweed and the bonito flakes. This is pretty decent. The taste is pretty authentic because of the okonomiyaki sauce and the included ingredients. If you're curious, I suggest giving this a try. There's not too many seafood pieces, but it's a convenient and quick way to enjoy okonomiyaki at home. I'll also post a link to the Sharp microwave if you're interested. Amazon sent it to me for free to review through the Vine program. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.